Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the electric starter motor on a 2005 Honda Foreman. Let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is remove your seat and then your side panel. It's all done by 3 clips. Just pull right off. Then you have access to your starter. You're going to pull off your wire here. As you can see, mine's already off. It'll be a 10mm nut. Pull the nut off. Pull that wire off. And you have 2 bolts here, both also 10mm. This is your ground wire. Grab your starter, push towards the front, and wiggle, and it should come right out. Next, we're going to bring the old starter over here, put it next to the new one, make sure everything looks the same, the mounting holes, where your cable hooks up, your splines, everything looks good. Now let's go put the new one on. Alright, before you start, I rub a little bit of oil on here to get it lubed up. Helps the seal. Set it in the hole. Push towards the back. While wiggling. And she's in place. Start with your back bolt. Ground cable. Your second bolt. Snug them up. No reason to over tight. Next, pull this nut off. You put your positive cable here. Nut back on. And snug it up with the same 10mm wrench. Protective cover back over that. We'll put our side panel back on. Start with the bottom clip. And then your seat. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Gonna give it a try, see if she starts up. Sounds good. Hope this video helps. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching.